I'm Marty with MartySellsHouses.com. Thank you for allowing me to share the importance of engaging my team as your buyer representatives when you are purchasing real estate. We are North Texas natives, so we know the neighborhoods and schools in Fort Worth and its suburbs. There are continuous changes in the real estate marketplace and its laws, so it is important for buyers to select experienced realtors to ensure a smooth transaction. We can guide you through all the complicated steps in your real estate purchase. Your first step is to get pre-qualified for financing. This will allow you to know the price you can comfortably afford, and it assures sellers that you have the resources to purchase their home. Some home buyers shop for homes without pre-qualifying for a loan, but shopping with a lender is the real first step. If you don't know where to start, we have relationships with great lenders, and we're happy to refer you. The next step in buying your home is finding the location and house that are right for you. Consider the neighborhoods you want to live in, as well as schools, worship, and shopping. We suggest you drive around the areas you're considering, and we'll assist you by suggesting potential neighborhoods, providing lists of houses for sale in your price range, and then showing you the selected homes. Once we've found the home that's right for you, we will prepare a pricing analysis, also known as a CMA, to help you establish a realistic offer to present to the seller. The offer will include the price, the financing terms, and any contingencies for inspections to be completed by licensed professionals. This is all very complicated, but MartySellsHouses.com will guide you from contract to closing, coordinating the title company, mortgage broker, and other professionals that manage the numerous details and legal documents to complete your transaction. And the final step is closing, which only happens after every detail and task have been completed. Then the property ownership is transferred to you. As your buyer representative, helping you buy a new home becomes our team's #1 priority. Working together, we'll find the best house in the best location at the best price for you. Whether you're looking for a home, land, or an investment, we can help you. Again, I'm Marty with MartySellsHouses.com, and we hope you'll put us to work for you. Thank you.